Infinix GT 50 Pro. Let's unbox this thing. The cooling edition, we have the MagCharge Cooler as well as the MagCase. This is the 512 gigabyte ROM and 12 gigabyte RAM version. Now on the back you can see a little bit the Pressure Sense GT trigger, MediaTek Dimensity 8400 Ultimate. Some of you may be like, what's up with that? But we'll find out real world use later on. 144 FPS, N1 network chip, 5 years of software update. That's better than a lot. And we have the Black Abyss version right there. That's the cooler right here. Cooling is power. Infinix branding. A little cooler right there. Liquid flow hyper performance. What's in this? SIM card code tool, and we have that. There you go.